You're going home in this weather?
I have to. Yeah, be careful. There is lightning, and we are in the morning.
Maybe tornado, I'm hoping.
Awesome! If we were trying to get out
Tornado,
crazy, so we tried to do it right after the movie ended.
Yeah. I'm sorry.
That happened, and they got too crazy. But I could borrow the sweatshirt, the white one, my favorite one.
There's a door there.
Well, locked.
Okay, see ya.
Yeah, I let her just have a bunch of cards for water, and it's sorry.
Oh, that tree looks like it's gonna bend over.
Oh yeah, look at this. Holy cow. Oh, is it early?
Hey, Cora. Look at the tree. It looks like it's gonna bend over. Oh, that was pretty. Okay, go. That'd be interesting. My mom made me check the spray door. It's gonna be interesting. The wind's still heaving up. The rain looks like it's starting to get a little nicer, but it's gonna get it's gonna act up again, like a few seconds. Softens up for like 1 second, then bling! And what I heard on the news is that we were gonna have how big were the things that were gonna be?
What?
A 1/4 inch, right? Hail?
Yeah. Well, 4 to 5.
1/4 to 5. Whoa. Okay, 1/4 to 5.
1/4 size. That's not
Course.
Arco, it's somewhere else.
I know, but that's for I know that's for somewhere else. But we might get a little hail, most likely not. But there's tornadoes happening on other areas. There's already been one, and wow. Yeah, and yeah. Fun fact: the reason why you hear a boom right after the lightning strike is because lightning goes faster than the speed of sound. So it hits. You don't hear it, but then boom, because that's the lightning itself. It went so fast down that.
And it's so hot.
Yeah, and so hot. Yeah, you could. Like when someone got hit by lightning, a few people might have got hit by lightning and they may have lived, but some of them died.
I closed the bathroom when I was sleeping because I'm having outside.
Yep, good job, Cora. Now it's starting to act up again. The raining's coming down. Slow down, but it's coming down again. It's getting caught up. Weird. I can feel a thunderstorm. Like this. It's a severe thunderstorm. Might be a tornado. That's why I'm filming it for you guys. Very rare, though. Very, very, very rare. You know, you guys all know it's your best bud Games and Anime 1. Or was it Anime and Games 1? Okay, no, it's Games and Anime 1. Games space and, no, Games and, if you already know my, channel, you can just tell your friends to watch some. Trees. So cool. Few birds, but like one bird. Stupid bird. No offense, bird.
Oh, I didn't get it.
Flying off in that early direction. That early direction. Whoa, that was cool. The whole sky turned purple because of that lightning strike.
It's hard to stand it.
It was up there, it like hit the tree. That's cool. Right there, the sun toward a tree over there by the tracks. But yeah. Ooh. I can't see that one. I think that one was way over the. Oh. You guys might not have missed it. I missed it. Can't catch everything. Lightning's very fast. Okay, guys. But thunder is very loud. Oh. I saw that tree. Oh. That tree is moving in a different direction. The wind's going towards us, and then it's going towards that way. Oh, might be interesting. I think actually one time we did have a tornado here since I lived here, and it wasn't that bad. No houses were down. When I was young, my real dad, called Michael, he had us watch a tornado. Not the safest thing, but oh, see, yeah, the tree is moving different directions. You can hear the wind, it's blowing. Oh, that was so cool. Oh, I think you guys saw that. I don't know if you did. That looks so cool. So yeah, I'm really focusing on the tree because I want to make sure that you just gotta make sure. I mean, oh wow, that was right there. That was right there. Perfect. It was right in front of me. That was awesome. Oh. So now, what's the chance of it going right down that in our yard? 1%. 1% out of 100. Maybe 2% if you want to put it up a little bit. Put it up to 50%, I'm like, wow. When someone says lightning never strikes twice, it does. In fact, it can strike like about 4 times. I'm hurting my feet because of the ground by the door because there's chips in the door, like wooden chips and all that. So I'm putting my shoes on to not hurt my feet because I'm trying to stand by the door and I'm hurting my feet when I'm saying stuff. Hi, yes, I'm recording. I'm not showing my face, of course. You never do that until you're like 18. Yeah, very. I just decided, no, guys, I will also be filming some storms that happen. But if they're too little, I won't film them. But if they're big ones like this one, I'll film them. If it's a tornado, I'll film it. Yes, I'm very nice, guys. And then someday I'll upload it if it's a tornado. I almost tripped. Oh, yeah, holy cool. Yeah. But that's the reason why I'm doing this is because I never videotape when I'm at home. Whenever I'm at home, I can just videotape me showing you storms. Of course, it might be at other people's houses when I'm filming storms, of course. Cause you know that's just my thing. I have an interest for storms. It just interests me, but I don't want to do all the study and stuff. I learn some stuff sometimes. So I do sometimes say, ooh, I just got that perfectly. I just looked over there and boom, I got it on the camera. Yes! Yeah, this has been 10 minutes so far. 10 minutes? I just started recording. started to hit. Yeah. I am moving back and forth because I need to do that. No, yeah, I'll be right back. Okay, I'm not going to pause the video, of course. I'm just going to sit this down on the table and you guys will still hear the sounds. But you won't hear me because I didn't go back over. I should have done this before. Shut up. I know what I'm doing, Mom. You can talk if you want to them. Yeah.
And with a grotesquely elongated finger. The eye is undoubtedly very peculiar, like a cross between E.T. and vampire Nosferatu. In fact, it's a type of lemur, a primate, a misfit in our own animal family. But their curious features allow them to find their favorite food. That extraordinary finger taps at the branch up to 10 times a second. Ears pick up on the unmistakable echo of a hollow.
I'm just the best!
Teeth call home.
There he goes.
They're the only
When nature calls. So quiet. So you want to go out there, but then if you go out there, you're going to get electrocuted. It's not that bad anymore, but don't get bad, right, Mama?
It's lovely.
Crap. So stop it.
Yeah.
But that's going to stay until 11 p.m.
Oh, that's tomato wash. We're not under that.
Afterwards for you guys, I'm going to go outside when the storm's on. And I want to videotape how much. There's not that much rain. But yeah, afterwards I'm going to videotape to show you guys how much there is. I'll be, oh! That was pretty! Pretty like crazy. Yeah, but afterwards, if I can, I'll videotape it for you guys, and you guys can see what's going on, what happened afterwards. But it's getting back up again, Mom. It's coming back. Right now, my mom's watching nature. Right?
Yeah.
And Mom's watching nature on PBS. Wait, right? PBS?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, PBS, no, whatever. Yeah. There's some bugs on the screen. See those dots? Those are bugs. There's a whole bunch of the same kind. They have like, I think they're like baby moths or something? Because they have like fluffy antennas. I'm sorry, yeah, I know what you were doing. I'm freaking scared of this. Yeah, but it is starting to die off. Then they come back in and die off. They come. I'm making a video train. Sheesh, no respect. Yeah, I found that interesting. But if you guys look on the news sometime, or or look up some stuff about tornadoes, you might be able to see something that happened around one of the countries in the U.S. Oh, I heard about these whole bunch of tornadoes that ended up going in one area. It was a disaster. I think there were about like 6 tornadoes that popped up there. Like 2 of them, like no, there's like a whole bunch of them all around the same area. And it all stopped, but then another one came, and another one, you know, kept on going. As you guys know, that tornadoes and all that stuff is getting worse. And yeah, the end is near. I'm so weird. So yeah, yeah, it's getting better. It's getting a little brighter out. Cause over there it's a little bit brighter, so I'm guessing that it's clearing up. Yeah, cause you can kind of see a little bit of light streaming through the clouds. So yeah, it's getting up. So pretty soon we're gonna go out there and see what happened. Yeah, I'm most likely gonna wait until the clouds are basically cleared up. Oh, the buddies are back. So that means it's stopping. Because the birds aren't tweeting that much anymore. The birds are like tweeting crazily. They're not tweeting that much anymore. They're tweeting normally. So yeah, in a little bit I'll come back to you guys. Okay? See ya.